Mr. K.D. Dwivedi sir, and I welcome all of you. Let's start the topic. The first topic that I have given is Amitabh Bachchan. So Amitabh Bachchan, as you all know, he is a legend of India in the film industry. No one can compare like him. His acting, his personality, his property as well. And recently, I learned in the current affair that he is going to receive the Lata Mangeshkar Deenanath Award 2024. So that's all I want to speak about Amitabh Bachchan. The second topic that is given is space. SpaceX, it is actually. SpaceX is like an AI software launched by
that the person in front of me knows more than me. With this thoughtful line, I would like to wish a very sweet and humble good morning to respected sir and everyone who are those presented over here and there. While I'm Bhavani Sir, today I'm standing here in front of you, present my topics, and my first topic is GST. GST is like a tax. If we earn more money than we should pay GST, it's allowed by our governments, and it's a very good for us. If we pay GST, it's a very good for us. It's very important for us. If we don't pay GST,
I can say I am very lucky to having this topic, and my first topic is Chanakya. So as we all know that Chanakya is the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. In our ancient history, we can study about Chanakya, his policies and about his ethics. He was known, and his other name is Kautilya and Vishnugupta, and his famous book was Arthashastra, economic, and in this book he mentioned all.
First, delightful good morning to our honorable chief guest, Dr. Rajesh Gupta sir, our honorable director sir, and everyone present here and there. I am Aditi Singh, standing in front of you in mega seminar to deliver my thoughts on topic. And my first topic is O-Level. O-Level is a computer-based program which is offered by British Institute and our O Master also. And it is very important in this era that you must know to operate on computers, because any job or anything is in these days are based on computer. Now paper and pen works are closed, so O-Level is very important for us, and O Master is providing us opportunity to get it. O-Level help us to operate on computers like on the programs and makes our life easy. Our second topic is discipline. So as we all know, discipline is very important in our life. A person
the majority of citizens are Muslim. Mostly Muslims live there. So the other religions like Christians, Hindus, and Buddhism, so they are not treated as a citizen in Muslim countries. So that's why India implemented CAA to for that type of person who had persecuted there just because of their religions. They can come in India and they can become a citizen of India. These all about, and there are so many countries like Afghanistan and Iran, means Pakistan. So just because of CA, many religions who have faced so many difficulties in their Muslim countries, now they are able to leave.
So firstly, let me wish you all a very sweet and radiant morning to the honorable chief guest of the day, Dr. Rajesh Gupta sir, who is currently posted at Mahila Mahavidyalaya of Devariya as a principal, the director of O Master, Mr. K.D. Dwivedi sir, and all the peers present over here. Well, this is Sanjana Chauhan, and I am here again on this auspicious day of Mega Seminar, Day 4, in the extemporary round. So I am a bit nervous today, and obviously got a chill spine. So let's quickly start and assemble the topics. The topics given to me are ANI, Education and Abroad, and third one is manner. So let's start together. The first topic is ANI, Asia News International. It stands for Asia News International, which is the only news channel of India which is working as national and abroad level, which has no, which needs no license for including in international, and they are managing the international news also, which gives us the true and valuable data to all of us in the era of this. We are saying that today's journalism is false and it is not working well. I believe that journalism should be like that. It should be not biased. Transparency should be maintained by to the citizens, and also journalism should not promote any of the government, because the work of journalism is to criticize the government so that they can work smoothly and more effectively. So this is all about the ANI. Managing the time, I will move
a site where we can purchase things from there. It is an application and it is very wide, and it is spread all over the world. If you have to purchase anything and you are sitting at your home, just by sitting at your home, you can purchase anything, just like laptops. You can see that many shops are not available in our local societies like in villages, but the delivery of Amazon and all the Amazon and Flipkart is also that type of online site, e-commerce site. So you can take a lot of benefit from these e-commerce sites. Amazon.
एक तो जब आप एग्ज़ाम देंगे तो मान लीजिए कि आप क्वालिफाई करते हैं सर नेट के लिए, तो उसमें आपको कोई स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिलेगा। जैसे मान लीजिए कि 100 नंबर अगर टोटल नंबर है और 75 नंबर आया आपको, 75 में, तो आप नेट क्वालिफाई करेंगे, यानी यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ लेक्चरर। लेकिन मान लीजिए कि आप कुछ अच्छा स्कोर करते हैं, यू स्कोर 80 और एबव, देन यू ऑल्सो क्वालिफाई फॉर द JRF, जूनियर रिसर्च फेलोशिप, जिसमें आपको पढ़ाई के दौरान ये रिसर्च करने के लिए करीब 35-40 हज़ार रुपया पर मंथ आपको मिलेगा भी, और दैट विल कंटिन्यू अप टू 5 years, जो कि आफ्टर 3 years इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू सीरियन स्कॉलरशिप। तो उसमें आपको 55,000-60,000 रुपया ही मिलेगी। तो नेट के लिए ये जरूरी है कि आपका MA में जो है कम से कम 55% नंबर हो, और जो OBC के बच्चे हैं या शेड्यूल कास्ट के बच्चे हैं, शेड्यूल ट्राइब के बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए एग्जेम्प्टेड है, यानी कि 50% नंबर आपको चाहिए।